Hi everyone, this is Reverend Prophetess, Lady of Wisdom, also known as the Prophet of Christ, with Christian Gifted Psychics. Today's date is August the 19th, 2022, and it is 10:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is going to be my 6-month braid lock journey update. Although my official 6 months won't be until tomorrow, but we're doing this thing right now. Yes, yes, yes. So what I wanted to do is talk to you guys about my updates and what has changed. Now my routine is still the same. I still sleep with a satin bonnet or my satin scarf on my head at night. I also have a satin pillowcase as well. I do moisturize my hair every day to every other day by first misting my hair with water and then following up with my moisturizer. And then I also use my aloe vera juice with water as well. I spray my hair with that as well, and I do this every day to every other day. As long as, like, if my hair is dry, that's when I do that. And then I use my oil, which consists of a few different oils I like to use, which is my olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, sweet almond oil, and I put it all in one bottle to do a mixture. And my hair, and I also shampoo, condition, deep condition once every 2 weeks using my homemade deep conditioner, egg, olive oil, honey. I send it to my steamer for about 10 minutes usually. And I also add a few drops of Jamaican black castor oil to that honey, to that hair mask that I do, make egg, olive oil, and honey with a few drops of Jamaican black castor oil. And overall, the locks seem to be maturing. This is where a lot of my breakage was, so that's why this looks shorter. So this is where I twisted my hair and I braided and then started twisting down the bottom. Now, as you can see, this part of my hair has locked. The braided part, I do not think that's locked, I don't think. And I have interlocked, so you see that's interlocked. And that's a lot where my breakage was, so that explains why that's, shorter. And actually, when I first installed these braid locks, this part was like maybe here, I think. Yeah, it was actually like here. And then I twisted, and then it seemed to have grown out. And also, here's another one where a lot of my breakage was. So I braided a little bit further. I guess I wasn't as lazy. And then I started twisting, and that part has locked, but the braided portion didn't seem to have locked. And I have budding as well. That's one of the ones I just showed you. Now this is another one where I had breakage. As you can see, that actually unraveled a little bit, and then it kind of locked on itself. I don't know what could have happened there, but that's where it was braided, and it unraveled and it formed into like a weird freeform lock or something. I don't know what happened there. And some of these it has buds. This is one of the ones that's budding there. Let me come here. I don't know if you can see that. And still the shrinkage that I'm dealing with and a lot of the frizz. And my hair is actually budding, my locks. So they seem to be doing okay. My hair also has gotten fuller, thicker since I installed these. More than likely it's grown longer, but it's hard for me to tell just because I'm dealing with so much of it is, shrunken up on itself. So I don't know. I can't really, see, any length as far as what I see personally. And this is more budding going on. This part actually locked right there and start to lock from right here, I think, from what I can see. I don't know if you can see. It's a lock. And something funky happened. This lock right here on the nape of my neck, the darn thing unraveled. I mean, completely unraveled. I didn't know. So what I was going to try to do was try to attempt to rebraid it. I couldn't take the darn thing down. So it turned into a lock on itself. So it got a free form to turn into a lock right there. And then I just simply interlocked there. So I didn't know what to do about it. I was just like, oh crap, oh well. But yeah, so that is definitely an update as far as with my hair. I did include a lot of pictures in this video, so make sure you, of course, all hang around to the end. Please subscribe. Please also share. And this concludes this video. I promise I won't talk no more. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you all have a safe, blessed rest of your evening and weekend. Deuces.